Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today it is time to go over my July Boxycharm by Ipsy subscription box. If you're not familiar, it is a monthly subscription. They provide you with makeup, skincare, tools. What I like is that it is full-sized items. You get to pick 3 out of the 5 items from a selection. They pick the other 2. You fill out a profile so that they know what you like. It's around $32. There are different size bags, boxes you can get. I just get the regular Boxycharm. Most of the time, I'm really happy with what I get in my box. I love the drop shop option. You can go on their website or on the app and shop all kinds of name brands that you know, brands that you don't know, but all at discounted prices. It's a lot of fun. I will have everything linked in the description box below. I'll also link everything that I'm putting on my face today and things that I already have on my face today. Some are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I make a small commission, and I thank you so much because it does help support me and my channel. So let's get into the July Boxycharm box. Inside the box, you get a little flyer, Hot Glow Summer. There is a QR code that you can scan to learn more information about the products in your box. I was happy to see that my items in the box were very well wrapped. First product in my box is a brow pencil from Scone Cosmetics. This is the Scone Cosmetics Brow Wand. They sent me the shade Peanut Butter, and this retails for $22. Let's check it out. It's got this type of an applicator, like a slanted tip, and then on the other side is a spoolie, which is very nice. I don't have anything in my brows. Let me swatch the color for you. Ooh, I think we need to maybe get through some stuff here. It feels super, super dry. Oh my goodness. Ooh, not sure. Let's find out. It's so stiff, it's a struggle to build up in my brows. If you like a stiff brow pencil, this might be for you, but it's a pass for me. I just added a little bit of brow gel. Let's move on. The next item is a blush product from the brand Bisha. This is the Essential Blush Duo. They sent me the shade Dubai. Really pretty packaging. Reminds me of Patrick Ta. Ooh, this is what the inside looks like. This features a vibrant cream blush with a matching powder. The Duo lets you layer the look from a warm, subtle glow to an all-out glam. The formula is infused with silky mica and nourishing tocopherol acetate for a soft focus finish that blends like a dream. Bright, bold, and beautifully buildable. Your blush game has never been so essential, and this retails for a whopping $55. Wow. Nice mirror. I guess this just comes off. It's just a piece of plastic. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. We've got the powder and the cream. Not as vibrant as I was expecting, which is good because this is a really bright looking color. I'll use my e.l.f. liquid blush brush and go into the cream first. Just going to put it on my hand just in case. Okay. Ooh. Why am I building? I still have the powder to go into. That's really, really pretty. Let me go into my Morphe. This is the A22, and I'm going to go lightly into the powder. You know, I love a blurring matte blush. That's really nice. I like it a lot. They have a lot of pretty shades on their website as well. That is lovely. I will let you know if it lasts. Next, I have a lip pencil, well, specifically a lip crayon from Tys Beauty. This is a lip crayon hyaluronic liner. It retails for $25. It is a creamy lip crayon combining the precision of a lip liner with the comfort of a lipstick, giving you full coverage and a soft matte finish. Packed with hydrating hyaluronic acid, it helps keep your lips plump, smooth, and moisturized while delivering long-lasting color. Mine is in the shade Muted Mauve. There's what it looks like. We've got a sharpenable tip. Let's go right here. Ooh, feels very nice and creamy. Wow, this just glides on the lips. I had no problem filling them in. It's that mauvey, pinky brown that I love. Ooh, very nice. Let's see if it lasts. I'll check at the end of the video. The next product I have is a palette, and this is the Beauty Bible. The OG palette retails for $39. Create endless eye looks with this 18-pan eyeshadow palette designed by YouTuber and beauty icon Carly Bible. Create effortless everyday neutrals to full glam statement shades. This collection features a mix of finishes, matte shimmer and metallic that blend seamlessly and deliver high impact color payoff. I was excited to see this. I do like Carly Bible and have watched a few of her videos, and I remember when this was released, I was tempted. Love the plastic blue packaging. It feels nice. It feels a little weighty, easy to open. There's a mirror inside. The mirror is very nice. And then inside there is a card with the colors. And look at that. Let me swatch some of the shades. It looks like some very close tones, but if you've ever watched Carly Bible, she is very, very neutral. This one pop of color seems typical. We've got a lot of different matte shades. It looks like some lean warm, some lean cool. They seem very soft in color, so it looks like it's potentially a buildable formula. Let's swatch this. Ooh, the purple feels really creamy. I just realized I went into all mattes. Let me grab a couple of the shimmers on this side. The shimmers feel much creamier. But still not a huge amount of pop. That's a little surprising. We shall see. This is my Sigma E25. And I'll start with this one right here next to the purple, because it looks like it has a little bit of a pink or a cool tinge to it. This matte feels lovely. Almost like a lightweight cream to powder texture. This one on the other side just looks like a lighter shade of a mauvey pink. Just gonna go right over. Just softening that edge. Now I'll take my Zoeva. This is the 231, and I'm going to go into this black. Deepen out that outer edge a bit. Just sort of pressing, fluffing out the edges. I'll take this shade next, and I'll put it right next to that black. I'm going to take this shimmering brown. I love a good brown shimmer, and I'm going to go right over that. That's better. And now we have to get into that purple shimmer, so I will put that on my pinky and go right in that inner third. Building it up a little bit. I'm a little conflicted about this palette so far. I'm loving the way that the textures feel on my fingers, that cream to powder, but the mattes, they're okay. The shimmers, not super impactful, and I don't know how I feel about that. I wish it had more. Now I'll take my Sigma E54, and I'll go back into that lighter mauvey shade and just dust this underneath. I think I'll go into that deeper mauve. So I want more. Sigma switch. Just gonna tap a tiny bit on that black, take it on the outer corner. By the way, I do have an eyeshadow primer on. I have the new Morphe Cream eyeshadow base on. I got a new shade, Debut. It's like a very soft pink. I'm gonna add some liner and mascara, and I'll be back with the last product, followed by my thoughts. I'm back, and the last product in my box is this Bolition Beauty. This is the Grenache Retinol Eye Cream. Packed with polyphenol-rich Grenache grape seeds, this age-defying eye cream helps neutralize free radicals, the culprits behind fine lines and crow's feet. A gentle yet effective granactive retinoid helps to smooth and firm with less irritation, while hyaluronic acid and peptides help deliver deep hydration and plumping effect. This baby retails for $62. I don't mind an eye cream of all skincare. My personal preference is to get all makeup. Ipsy says that my box is valued at $203. Did I get my $32 worth? I'm gonna say yes. A tentative yes. I'm generally happy. Let's rank what I got. In 5th place, it's gonna be this brow pencil from Scone Beauty. It felt stiff, it dragged on my eyebrows. They look okay, but I can't see myself picking this back up again. I have brow products that are so much creamier and long lasting. This is a hard pass. The eye cream, I'll put in 4th place. I'm not sure that I will use it. I know that I promised you a skincare video, and I will do that soon, but I'm using retinol right now, and I put retinol under my eye, so I'm not sure how this product with retinol in it would work. Maybe I could avoid my under eyes. I'm not sure. So I'm still on the fence as to whether I will use this, but stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed. I am going to do a skincare video for you because my skin has undergone some great changes in the last year. In 3rd place, I'll put this palette from the Beauty Bible. I'm disappointed. I don't love my eye look when I look close. I don't think that the shadows look smooth. They look a little bit patchy. But I will continue using this. Maybe it was the tones that I chose. Maybe there's a couple bum shadows, but I will continue playing with this. I really enjoyed this shimmering brown. This cream color looks promising. The black was soft. I'll keep playing and let you know in my favorites and fails. Number 2 is this lip product from Tys Beauty. I really liked this. It went on super smooth. Let me blot it. Yeah, very little came off on my tissue. It feels very lightweight. It didn't drag. It didn't bunch. Sometimes a lip liner will crumble on me or a lip pencil. This, I think, has a lot of potential. I'm going to leave this on and I'll keep you posted in the description box if it wears through meals or if it dries out my lips. In number 1, I'm going to put this blush from Bisha, this Essential Duo. I think it is beautiful. I was a little scared of the color at first, but it really went on nice. I wouldn't say that it's matte, but I definitely believe that there are some blurring properties. My skin looks glass-like and smooth where the blush is. I appreciate that. I also appreciate that I didn't look like a clown. When I saw this color, I thought, oh my goodness, that's gonna be a lot. And I don't feel like it's a lot. I think it looks really soft and beautiful. Is it worth $52? That's up to you, but will I use it? Definitely. And that is everything. Was this enjoyable for you? Do you get Boxycharm? Have you seen some other variations? I watch all the videos as well because I like to see what other people got and what their thoughts are, if they're different than mine. I do shop the drop shop. I didn't see anything super exciting when I got my box, but I can shop that drop shop throughout the month. There's always some type of a sale going on. I just hop on the app and I look. That part makes this worth it. So I'm glad I got this box. I think that there are some great items in here. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and of course, leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.